Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove all cell borders in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I remove all cell borders on this sheet. At first, you have to select a cell to click on your mouse, then drag on your mouse to select this all cell, then right click on this selected cell, then you can see here are format cell option, then click it. Now you can see here are borders option. Now I choose none, then press OK. Now you can see I remove all border cells in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.